Moving on to some economic news, uncertainties in the global economy are putting Korea in a difficult position, and the concerns are being felt. The country's benchmark KOSPI fell nearly 25 points today, followed by yesterday's drop. Shin Se reports.
China's recent decision to devalue its yuan and signals the U.S. Federal Reserve will start hike rates next month is putting weight on the Korean economy. Speaking at a parliamentary committee meeting on Thursday, Finance Minister Choi Kyung said global economic uncertainties are fueling risks for Asia's fourth-largest economy. China knocked the yuan down 4.66% 3 days in a row last week after the country's bad economic data. Choi said worries have risen over the competitiveness of exporters competing with Chinese counterparts and said the government is looking into possible responses should risks facing the Korean economy increase. Saying devaluation of the yuan is fueling uncertainties in emerging markets, adding to economic risks, Choi said it is putting considerable pressure on the Korean economy, rousing volatility in the local stock and foreign exchange markets. Reflecting the uncertainties, Korea's benchmark KOSPI dropped 1.28% on Thursday to finish at 1,914.55, the lowest level since January this year. It's the second drop in 2 days after the index fell below 1,950 mark on Wednesday, triggered by dampened investment sentiment as uncertainties overshadows global economy. But minutes of the U.S. Fed's July meeting show it may be keeping its dovish stance, and officials hint the decision to raise interest rates is inching closer. Experts say, however, concerns still linger over the possibility of China's unsettling market, and a plunge in global crude prices may make it even more difficult to predict what decision the Fed will make on rates at its next policy meeting in September. Shin Se, Arirang News.